Hi, it's Melinda here. I wanted to give a personal testimonial to some skincare that I've been using. I keep getting asked what I'm using, and so I wanted to put this video together. And this line is called emmiSKIN at emmiSKIN.com. I've been using it for about 6 to 8 months. I love it. Now, the founder and I go way back. She's the CEO and founder of emmiSKIN, and we've known each other for years, back when I was doing ESPN Fitness America shows and Miss Fitness USA shows. She was also in the pageant arena doing the Mrs. USA pageants and so forth. And so she is a formal guest model, and she's an actress. Like I said, she's done pageants herself, and she spent the last 10 years researching a line of skincare that could help the aging skin, and that's exactly what I was looking for. I was breaking out. I didn't want all the aging effects with the sun damage and the excess discoloration of my skin, and this line is working great. So if you want to check it out, go to emmiSKIN.com, look at her videos, and try one of her products. My favorite is the under eye cream and the actual mask. So check it out, emmiSKIN.com.